What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates without a central bank or single administrator and can be sent from user to user on a peer-to-peer network without the need for intermediaries. Hello and welcome to today's topic, where we will be discussing one of the most talked about topics in the financial world, Bitcoin. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its decentralized nature, which means that it operates on a decentralized network of computers around the world, instead of being controlled by a central authority like a government or bank. This eliminates the risk of centralization and reduces the chances of government intervention, making it a more secure and stable investment. Bitcoin was created as a response to the 2008 financial crisis, and since then, it has grown to become one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Despite its fluctuations, Bitcoin has been consistently gaining value, and it has a strong following among investors, traders, and technology enthusiasts alike. Bitcoin can be used for a variety of purposes, including as a store of value, as a means of payment for goods and services, and as a way to invest in emerging technology. It has been adopted by a growing number of merchants and businesses, and it has also become a popular way for individuals to protect their wealth from inflation and other financial risks. Despite its potential, Bitcoin also faces several challenges, including volatility, regulatory concerns, and competition from other cryptocurrencies. But with its growing popularity and increasing acceptance, it is likely to play a major role in the future of finance and commerce. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you have a better understanding of what Bitcoin is and how it works. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.